We all try to enrich our parrots' lives with toys and foraging opportunities, but does parrot enrichment really matter? We're going to try to answer that question by looking at a scientific article. Today we're going to review the article, Effects of Different Environmental Enrichment Items on the Behavior of the Endangered Lear's Macaw at Belo Horizonte Zoo in Brazil. There's a PDF link to the original article in the comments if you want to refer to the original article. Just as a heads up, this is an independent article review. The paper authors did not contribute to our review, so this is our interpretation of how you might apply this science to your companion parrot. The researchers observed the behavior of two Lear's macaws, one male and one female, at the Belo Horizonte Zoo in Brazil. They watched these birds for a total of 90 hours of observations and recorded their behaviors. The behavior was recorded during 3 periods. The first period they had no enrichment in their habitat. Then the researchers added enrichment items. They recorded their behavior with the enrichment items. And then the behavior items were removed and the researchers recorded their behaviors post-enrichment. The enrichment items that they used were bamboo forest, coconuts, grapes, parrot sticks, pumpkins filled with hazelnuts, hazelnuts wrapped in banana tree leaves, cardboard boxes filled with grass and coconuts, and corn on the cob. The researchers found that the environmental enrichment decreased the expression of abnormal behaviors and increased macaw activities. Specifically, the abnormal behaviors that decreased included decreased feather plucking and decreased pacing. Some of the activities that increased were an increased interaction with enrichment items, increase in walking, and an increase in feeding. And these results were more pronounced in the male macaw than in the female macaw. So does parrot enrichment matter? This article supports the idea that yes, parrot enrichment does matter. Do you want more science articles about enrichment? Check out Google Scholar. So you just go to scholar.google.com, and if you're new to Scholar, then you can try starting your search with parrot enrichment.